Hi friends, welcome to TriniKidsTV, and if this is your first time, hi and welcome to our circle time. Let's start our circle time by singing our good morning song. Ready? Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Now, what day is it today? Well, if yesterday was Tuesday, what comes after Tuesday? Wednesday! It's Wednesday, friends! Today is Wednesday, today is Wednesday, all day long, all day long. Yes, Wednesday is our day today. We are in the middle of the week. And we are in the month of June. Yes, friends. So let's sing our weekly song and say the days of the week together. Ready? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's say the months of the year. All 12 of them. Ready? The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. 12 months in a year. Now, my friends, it's time that we find out about our weather song. Let's sing our weather song together. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Well, is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now, my friends, we can take a look out those windows. Yes, and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, take a look. It's a sunny day. Yes, it's a sunny day today. Now, let's talk about our shape of the day. Our shape of the day today is a circle. A circle is round. Yes, we can find the circle in lots of places. Now, let's find out about our color of the day. Our color of the day today is the color blue. Blue is our color of the day. Can you think of some things that might be blue, friends? Yes, sometimes the sky is blue. Or maybe your favorite chair is blue. Blue. Now, let's talk about our number of the day. What's our number of the day? Our number of the day today is the number 1. 1 is our number of the day. What can we do to count to 1? Well, we can make a big hop and count to 1. Are you ready, friends? Well, let's go. Don't forget to count. 1. There we go. We hopped and counted to our number of the day. The number 1. Great job, friends. Now, let's talk about our letter of the day. Our letter of the day today is the letter F. F is our letter of the day. What words can we think of that start with the letter F? There's fish, there's fast, There's float, F. Very good, friends. Now let's talk about our area of the day. What's our area of the day? Well, before we do that, we have to jump in our boats and sail around the world. Let's go. Our area or country of the day today is France. France starts with the letter F. F for France. Take a look at our wonderful area of the day. Great! Now that we've talked about our wonderful area of the day, let's start with our lesson for today. Our lesson for today is a meeting the friend board game. What can we say and do when we meet our friends? We can say, hi, how are you? How are you today? It's nice to see you. I like your shirt, or I like your skirt. You look very nice today. And today we are going to make a board game where we pretend to meet our friends. We're going to make this board game and play it, and then we will meet our friend in the middle. Doesn't that sound like fun? So join me for craft time, where we will make our very own Meet Our Friend board game. Alright friends, today we are going to make our friend board game. First thing you're going to do is start with a piece of paper or Bristol board. Now I'm going to line my paper with some Bristol board when we're done, just to make it more sturdy. So what first thing you need to do is get a cover or cork so that you can trace the circles for your board game. Alright, so we're going to start in the middle where our board game is going to be, and I'm just going to trace where my each end is going to start. It's like a M shape. So I'm going to start at the point where the friends are going to meet at the end of the board game and go from there. So I'm going to trace my circles here and just continue along the path that I just made. Last one. Nice. So next we're going to fill our boxes with what we are going to say on our game. Alright, so the next thing you do is write where your players would start. Player 1 will start here, and player 2 will start over here. Now I'm just going to color them and make it look beautiful. Of course, I'm going to name my game Meet Right. So we're filling it in by adding instructions. You can put +3, so you can move 3 points. You can move add 2 steps, give a wave, so you can wave to your friends. Hand there. So give a wave. Jump. One. So you can jump one spot. Back. 3 spots. Back. 2 spots. And you can have lots of fun. And we're gonna add yay here because we've reached to the end. Yay! And we're gonna put hi friends because we made it to the part. Let's say hi to our friend. So of course you're gonna play a game. You can use anything you want for tokens to play. You can use coins. And move your coin around and roll your dice. Move your coin to play the game. Alright? I have my Bristol board here. And I'm going to stick it on. Right? So I'm going to stick this down. And then I have a really strong board for my game. Alright? So it's as simple as that. There's your board game. Have fun. You can make it as big as you want, as small as you want. And I hope you enjoy your Meet a Friend board game. Alright my friends, I hope you enjoyed making your board game today and having lots of fun playing it. I'll see you next time friends. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.